fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them!
Put your hands in the fucking air! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Right.
Put your hands up!
Y'all get him out.
I'll start it from here.
Let me see your fucking hands!
Show me your fucking hands now!
We'll go over with the horse so that we can help with that.
I got him.
Stay on.
On June 19th, 2024, at approximately 3:21 p.m., an Arizona Department of Public Safety state trooper was reportedly parked at a Circle K convenience store in Bisbee, Arizona. The state trooper reportedly observed a green, four-door Infiniti G35 sedan circle the parking lot twice before a woman jumped out of the Infiniti and ran to the state trooper as the vehicle sped away. The woman reported she had been kidnapped and assaulted by the driver of the Infiniti. The state trooper issued an alert, remained at the gas station with the female, and requested medical aid. Later, the state trooper learned the Tucson Police Department was also attempting to locate the Infiniti in connection with a homicide that had occurred earlier that day in Tucson, Arizona. At approximately 7:30 p.m., a Cochise County Sheriff's deputy located the Infiniti at the Chevron gas station on State Route 92 and Green Tree Drive in Bisbee, Arizona. The deputy observed the Infiniti exit the Chevron and travel west on State Route 92. The deputy initiated a traffic stop, at which point the Infiniti failed to yield and drove east on State Route 92 and then south on Naco Highway. The deputy pursued the Infiniti, and the driver fired out his driver window and through the rear windows towards the deputy. As they would respond. At approximately 7:36 p.m., AMO agents located the vehicle on Hull Ranch Road. Multiple Border Patrol agents responded to the area, approximately 2 miles north of the Naco Port of Entry. Border Patrol agents and other law enforcement officers staged their vehicles at the intersection of Hull Ranch Road and Naco Highway as the Infiniti continued west to the dead end of Hull Ranch Road. AMO agents provided overwatch by hovering over the Infiniti, and an AMO air enforcement agent opened the left rear door of the helicopter to identify himself as law enforcement to the driver of the Infiniti. The driver reversed and headed back east along Hull Ranch Road towards a row of stationary law enforcement vehicles, then drove into an open field south of the road. One of the Border Patrol agents reported that at approximately 7:38 p.m., as he stopped his vehicle near the field, he heard the air unit broadcast over the radio that the driver of the Infiniti was shooting out his window. The agent also reported that at the same time, he could hear gunshots coming from the Infiniti as it came into view in the open field. The Border Patrol agent fired 13 bullets from his M4 carbine rifle at the driver. Law enforcement personnel from the Bisbee Police Department, Sierra Vista Police Department, and the Cochise County Sheriff's Office also fired their weapons. The Infiniti continued eastbound, crossed over Naco Highway, and came to a stop in the field. At approximately 7:40 p.m., agents and officers approached the Infiniti and removed the driver from it. Once the driver was out of the vehicle, agents and officers began providing medical care. At approximately 7:41 p.m., an AMO agent requested emergency medical services via service radio.
Hey, if there's anyone near Barnett Road, CCSO has shots fired at them from a possible homicide suspect. Shot at the CCSO deputy's vehicle. Took a right on Catherine.
By Deer Point. Is it downtown? So I'm heading that way now. I'm just north of Deer Point. Copy that. Who's got visual?
Hey, sounds like the suspect is a possible wanted homicide suspect, so be careful, he is armed.
Is there a description of the vehicle?
Hey, vehicle crashed on Naco Highway.
Yeah, it's a better location.
Go ahead.
I think I've got the vehicle going to a residence.
Hey, that vehicle's going to be crashed out of Hull Ranch.
He's got the vehicle in sight. He's on the west side.
Hey, if there's any BP on scene, please advise.
Yeah, pouring out right now from the north. On scene.
His window was shot out. Your way, guys. We hit the fence here in a second. Bob wire. Hey, vehicles going to be disabled. It's on the east side of Naka Highway.
Hey, we got
A unit point up on the south there. The vehicle is just north of you off the road. Get behind your truck.
Out with the vehicle. Is there any passengers in the vehicle?
Hey, all we know of is the driver at this time.
The driver's moving around in the front seat.
Hey, north of the incident, I'll start it from here. There you go. Be over there with the horse trailer, we can help with that. Last traffic, say again.
Hey, if you haven't run the EMS, you should probably send EMS out here.
Hey, how many injuries are there?
Are with the driver.
EMS is in rail. EMS is in rail.
I think they might have crossed the group there on those last set of hits.
Hey.
Might have already been relayed. The vehicle stopped. Driver's out and detained. They're performing medical on him right now. Multiple gunshot wounds.
Hey, 10-4, all the agents out there. Hey, as far as agents, were there any shots fired from the agents?
We get a bird on the way.
Last unit, what do you need on the way?
Life flight on the way.
Yeah, 10-4, is that still out there? Can they expedite that a little bit? Hey, I'll come real quick. Hey, agents down local, it sounds like they're going to take the life flight to the helipad at the station if there's someone that doesn't mind breaking off and keeping the gate open for them.
Hey, we got you. Watch it.
Just open the door and go now.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! I got you.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Coming out the back!
What's up? Right here. Back up. Get out. Hands on. Coming out the back. Right here. Have a gun anywhere? Not on me. It's in me somewhere. Hey, look at me. Oh, my arm. Hey, my arm, watch out. Help, man. Help him up. EMS. Hey, you got a medic? Yeah, we got a medic. Yeah, my bag's in the back. If you got it, you want to go grab it? Don't move. I'm going to turn it on your arm. Don't move, man. Okay? Don't move. We're running in. It's gonna hurt, bro. It's just... I can't see. What happened to you, bro? So tourniquet applied. You need that one on the leg, too. Where's another one?
Okay.
Don't move, bro. Don't move.
Help me.
We're helping you.
Breathe.
Get that?
Can't breathe. Ow. Leg. My leg.
Second tourniquet. Here you go.
Help me.
We got one right here. Does anyone have any cloths, anything like that? Oh, yeah. I got a med bag.
Help me, please.
We're trying to, bro. Just don't move. Take it right straight.
Help.
Take it right straight. I got one on the hole. We need some cloth. Back.
Help.
Here's the dog.
Help me. Please. Help.
Under my thumb. It's right under my thumb.
Can you dump some water on me, please?
Stop moving, dude. Stop moving. Ready? Don't move. Ready?
Help. Help.
Fuck. Is the tourniquet doing its job? Let's see. Just leave it.
Get some water.
Stop moving. We have another cloth. Stand by. Chest wound. Got a chest wound? Okay.
Help me. Help. I can't breathe.
We got one on there.
I can't breathe.
Hey, I got that.
I can't breathe.
Get him outside.
Dump some water on my face.
Puncture
Dump
lungs.
some water on my face.
You guys trying the chest? Okay. I got two in the chest. Grab this. Yep.
Help me. I need water.
Hey, water. I'm moving. I need water. You're good, man. Keep breathing for me.
I need water.
Here's another one. I got another chest seal if you need it. 146.
You want it from the back?
Chest line ticket.
You know? Oh.
You checked the back yet?
How far is that way?
Back. 1, 2, 3. We got an exit one. We got one exit. Here's another.
Help me. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro. I can't breathe.